Ewa Sonnet is an American model and television personality. Born in Poland, she ventured into modeling as a young girl and created a significant impression when she walked on the ramp at London Fashion Week. Having initially appeared in well-known magazines such as Tatler, Love, V, and ID, she went on to model for some popular fashion brands. She first began posting pictures to her Instagram in June of 2014. Blessed with an impressive physique, Ewa is also very popular on social media with millions of followers on Facebook as well as Instagram. She stands at a height of 5 feet 5 inches tall. She weighs around 55 kg. She has a beautiful dark brown eyes and has blonde hair. She holds American nationality and belongs to mixed ethnicity. Her birth sign is Pisces. Known for her creativity and multiple talents, the young girl posts a variety of unique content on her social media accounts. Along with her exceptional modeling talent, Ewa Sonnet is impressing the world with her hot, gorgeous, and sizzling images on social media platforms. She first began posting pictures to her Instagram in June of 2014. In addition to her modeling, she also posted lifestyle content which featured her with an American bald eagle and flying a Boeing 737 simulator. Her net worth is estimated over 3 million US dollar. Ewa Sonnet, a US-based young girl, is doing well in the dancing as well as the social media world.